Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, take out your rough copy, your book, open page number 106 and take one pencil also. You can note down the important things from the board also, and you can also underline in your book also. So student, today date is 7/10/2020. I am teaching you chapter 18 and name of the chapter is Indian National Movement. So student, let do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in 1885, in the year 1885, we saw the rise of the Indian National Congress. Okay, and who was the person who founded the Indian National Congress? He was a Englishman, and his name and the name of the person was Alan Octavian Hume. He founded Indian National Congress in the year 1885. So student, and who was the head of this at that time? So who was the head of the first session of Indian National Congress? That is W.C. Banerjee. He was the head of the first session, and his name is W.C. Banerjee. So student, what was the aim? Now you have seen there are, in present time student, you know there are many political parties are in our country, and after 5 years we have elections. So at that time also, the first political party which was formed in India is Indian National Congress in 1885. Now, and the first session, who was the head? W.C. Banerjee was the head of that. Now, what was the aim? See, when the administration of at the time, whole control comes in the hand of British government, and all rules and laws who made because the administration of India is under the control of British people. They are ruling India. So when this political party formed, so what was the aim of the Congress at that time? Their aim is that they make British people aware about the problem faced by the people of India in their rule. So there are many leaders, and these leaders are called moderates, and some of the moderates are SN Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Firoz Shah Mehta, Badruddin Tayabji, and Dadabhai Narozi. So these are the leaders of the Congress at that time who draw the attention of the British Raj toward the difficulties and demands of the Indian people at that time. But British, they do not, what are the demands put by these leaders among the British government? They are, the British government do not agree with the demands of the people of India. So student, what happens? The people become very angry, and at that time there are some more leaders also there. So they are also not happy with the soft approach of these leaders, which we say moderates, because British government are totally, they are not listening to the demands of the, or they are not listening to the demand of the people of the India. So at that time the other leaders, which we can say extremist, and so at that time the peoples are totally not happy, that I already tell you in chapter number 17 also, at the time of first revolt of 1857. So people are not happy with the British rule, and very strongly they want that there should be some laws should be changed at that time. But student, the other leaders which I told you, extremes, they are very aggressive. Okay, they are also not satisfied with the soft approach of the moderates. जो moderate leaders थे, they totally follow, they, so these extremes leader, they are also not happy with the soft approach of the moderates. And what was the name of these extremes leader? That is लाला लाजपत राय, बाल बाल गंगाधर तिलक, बिपिन चंद्र पाल. Now I told you these leaders are very aggressive, that Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. So they are also not happy with the soft approach of the moderate leaders. So these extremes leader come forward. They come forward and now they demand for the complete freedom, because of the complete freedom of the country. ठीक, जैसा अब जो सॉफ्ट अप्रोच वाले लीडर्स थे बेटा, ठीक है, वो अपनी डिमांड्स, वो इंडियंस की डिमांड्स उन्होंने किनसे बोली? ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट से. बट ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट मानने को बिल्कुल कॉम्प्रोमाइज करने को बिल्कुल रेडी नहीं थी. इज इट क्लियर? सो एट दैट टाइम देयर आर सम अदर लीडर्स आल्सो. कुछ ऐसे लीडर भी थे जो बड़े गुस्से वाले थे, बहुत एग्रेसिव थे, जोश वाले थे. दे कम फॉरवर्ड बिकॉज दे आर नॉट हैप्पी विद द सॉफ्ट अप्रोच ऑफ द मॉडरेट लीडर्स. उनका ऐसा मानना था कि दिस इज आवर कंट्री, ठीक है, ये हमारी कंट्री है, हम क्यों इनके सामने बैगिंग कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, फॉर द डिमांड्स. ये हमारी दिस इज आवर कंट्री. सो व्हाट दे डू? दे डिमांड फॉर द कंप्लीट फ्रीडम ऑफ द कंट्री. इज इट क्लियर? जो वो लीडर थे, मॉडरेट लीडर थे, वो ऐसा सोच रहे थे कि मे बी सम चेंजेस हैज बीन डन बाय द administration of the British rule for the people of India. So but these leader want that, or these leaders say that this is our country, and now they demand for the complete freedom of the country. And at that time, see student, peoples of different religions and caste are living in India, and all of them are unhappy with the rules and laws of the British government. Is it clear? All of them, whether they are at that time before the freedom. So there are many religions are in India and many caste system also. But due to the rules and laws of these British people, the people of India are very unhappy. So they all unite together and they start and they strongly demand for the complete freedom of the country. Now see, and these extremes leader are Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. And at that time these three leaders are also known as by a name Lal, Bal, Pal. Is it clear? At that time these three extremes leaders are also named as Lal, बाल पाल. Okay, and see, in did you know Tilak gave the famous slogan, freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. Okay, so with the rule of British government, no one is happy. That is the reason people from all the peoples are demanding for the freedom of the countries. So these are the leaders of extremes which are very aggressive. Okay, and now see student, what comes in the mind of a British people. Okay, at the time when the British people are ruling in India, what comes in the mind of a British people? जब British people इंडिया पे रूल कर रहे थे और अब लोगों में इतना ज्यादा गुस्सा था, इतना ज्यादा गुस्सा था ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के रूल से कि सब अगेंस्ट होते जा रहे थे. ओके, नाउ व्हाट कम्स इन द माइंड ऑफ ए ब्रिटिश पीपल? अब उन्होंने सोचा कि हाउ वी कंट्रोल द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, कैसे इन्हें कंट्रोल में किया जाए. सो एट द टाइम व्हेन द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट इज रूलिंग इन इंडिया, एट दैट टाइम बंगाल, दिस बंगाल इज द बिगेस्ट स्टेट. सो व्हाट दे डिसाइडेड, उन्होंने ये डिसाइड किया, लेट डू द पार्टीशन ऑफ द बंगाल. ओके, सो टू कंट्रोल द पीपल्स ऑफ इंडिया, what comes in the mind of how to control the people of India, because now they are demanding for the complete freedom of the country. So how to control them? So at the time of a British rule, Bengal is a big state. So what the British people think, they thought that let divide, let do the partition of the Bengal so that they can control the peoples. They want to break the unity of the peoples. Is it clear? वो आपस में लोग एक होते जा रहे थे, सबकी यूनिटी ब्रेक करने के लिए उन्होंने सोचा अब क्या करते हैं कि बंगाल का पार्टीशन कर देते हैं. ठीक, नाउ द ब्रिटिश वांटेड टू सप्रेस द इंडियन पीपल फॉर कंट्रोलिंग इंडियन पीपल्स. व्हाट दे डू, so they decided to divide the biggest state in their rule, Bengal. So, and another thing, what comes in the mind of British peoples at that time, they thought that by doing this they create a gap between Hindus and Muslims. ठीक है, उनके दिमाग में ऐसा आया कि हिंदू और मुस्लिम के बीच में जो इतनी यूनिटी है, कुछ करके इस यूनिटी को ब्रेक कर दिया जाए. ठीक है, तो अब उन्होंने क्या सोचा, क्या करने का सोचा बेटा? उन्होंने सोचा कि अब पार्टीशन कर दिया जाए बंगाल का. इज इट क्लियर? बट दिस एडेड मोर फ्यूल टू द फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल. बट व्हाट्स हैपन नाउ, टू द अपोज ऑफ दिस, बंगाल का पार्टीशन ना हो, इसके लिए बहुत बड़ा अपोज हुआ. ठीक है, इसके बदले में द रिजल्ट वॉज कॉल फॉर बाइकआउट बाय द कांग्रेस लीडर. सो कांग्रेस लीडर्स ने जो इसके अपोज में जो बाइकआउट किया, कांग्रेस लीडर्स ने, व्हाट वाज दैट? दैट इज स्वदेशी आंदोलन. And this Andolan was started in 1905. So what happened? Leader of Congress, they do the boycott by the Congress leader, and what happens? There is a new Swadeshi Andolan, and it was started in 1905. So what happened in this Andolan? Huge bonfire हुआ, जितने भी फॉरेन गुड्स थे उसको पब्लिकली जला दिया गया. अब लोगों को इतना गुस्सा था कि उन्होंने बहिष्कार करना स्टार्ट किया, इंग्लिश गवर्नमेंट. सो व्हाट दे डू, दे पब्लिकली डू बॉनफायर, एंड व्हाट हैपन इन दिस, जो फॉरेन गुड्स थे उसे पब्लिकली क्या किया, जला दिया गया. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ आफ्टर दैट, now after this huge bonfire, in this they burn the foreign goods. ठीक है, विदेशी सामानों को पब्लिकली जलाया. ठीक है. सो दिस आंदोलन इज नोन एज स्वदेशी आंदोलन, and it was started in 1985. So page number 107, you can underline this. Swadeshi Andolan was started in 1905, because this question can be asked in two ways. One, when the Swadeshi Andolan was started. So Swadeshi Andolan was started in 1905. एक क्वेश्चन तो ये बन गया बेटा. नेक्स्ट हो जाएगा, what was the name of the Andolan in which people publicly do bonfire of the foreign goods? What was the name of the Andolan in which people publicly burns the foreign goods? So that Andolan is known as Swadeshi Andolan. Underline in your book in page number 107. So now what's happened? Now to control the people of the India, okay, to control the people of the India, now what does the British government do? They put many peoples in the, they imprison many peoples. बहुत से लोगों को जेल में डाल दिया गया. ठीक है, बहुत से लोगों को कहां डाल दिया गया, जेल में डाल दिया गया. एंड स्पेशली इसमें ये जो आंदोलन हुआ था, इसमें स्पेशली सबसे ज्यादा जो पार्टिसिपेट किया था वो स्टूडेंट्स ने किया था. ये भी आ सकता है इन अ वन वर्ड क्वेश्चन. पीपल फ्रॉम ऑल वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ, स्पेशली स्टूडेंट पार्टिसिपेटेड इन इट. ओके, इन दिस स्वदेशी आंदोलन स्पेशली जो सबसे ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेट किसने किया था, वो किसने किया था, स्टूडेंट्स किए थे. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट, व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस? अब इसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? हाउ ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल द पीपल आफ्टर दिस? दे इम्प्रिजन मैनी पीपल. उन्होंने बहुत से लोगों को उठा के उस समय जेल में डाल दिया. ठीक है, बट इन द लास्ट व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट? इन द लास्ट द रिजल्ट इज दैट देयर इज नो पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल. इज इट क्लियर? इन द लास्ट फाइनली द ब्रिटिश हैड टू एडमिट डिफीट एंड दे कैंसिल द पार्टीशन ऑफ द बंगाल. लास्ट में ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को अपना जो उन्होंने डिसीजन जो था उन्हें कैंसिल करना पड़ा, पार्टीशन ऑफ द बंगाल. ओके, So the British finally introduced some reforms, but the First World War broke out, and after that, after this Swadeshi Andolan, they reforms means they have done, uh, they have changed their some rules, जो उन्होंने इतने रूल्स बना रखे थे आफ्टर दिस आंदोलन, उन्होंने उसमें कुछ चेंजेस की. इज इट क्लियर? कुछ सुधार किए, चेंजेस की. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट, बट द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार ब्रोक आउट एट द सेम टाइम. वर्ल्ड वार भी स्टार्ट हो गया था, फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार. एंड इन दिस वर्ल्ड वार, people from India, or you can say Indian soldier, they also fight from the British side in this first world war. A maximum peoples are taken from Punjab. पंजाब के बहुत से लोगों ने इसमें फोर्सफुली उनसे किया गया, बहुत से लोगों को फोर्सफुली उन्हें ट्रेन किया गया. एंड these soldiers also participate in the first world war from the British side. Is it clear? Now let's do small recapitulation so that you understand the things simply. Okay, see, extremists. Extremists, from here I start the topic. They are very aggressive. Okay, their approach is totally differ from the leaders of the moderates. They, when they see that British government is not changing their rules and not able to listen the demands of the or difficulties of the peoples of India which they are facing at that time, then these leaders, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal, these are extremist leaders. Now they come forward and they demand for the complete freedom of the India. Okay, they demand for the complete freedom of the India because peoples are totally unhappy and they are very angry. बहुत गुस्से में थे ब्रिटिश रूल से. Is it clear? So at that time, to control the peoples, what comes in the mind of a British government, they decided to do the partition of the Bengal. कि बंगाल का पार्टीशन कर देंगे तो अपने ये लोग जो क्या है कंट्रोल में आ जाएंगे. ओके, सो they think that by doing this, what happened, there should be a gap between Hindus and Muslims. So because at that time people of different religions and caste are living in India. Now also, ये तो हम पहले की बात कर रहे हैं, अभी की भी कंसिडर करो तो peoples of all different religions and caste are living in India. So by doing this, they want to divide Hindus and Muslims, but they don't get the success in this. So what happened? Leaders of the Congress, they do the boycott of this. And what happened at times? The people burn the foreign goods publicly, and this Andolan is known as Swadeshi Andolan. And what is the result of this Andolan, student? And maximum student participated in this Andolan. And what was the result of this Andolan, student? The decision which is taken by the British government to divide the Bengal, they have to cancel their decision. Okay, this is the result of this Swadeshi Andolan in 1905. Thank you, student.